So I reduced a lot the music because someone told me yesterday that the music was too loud and it was difficult for people to understand what I was saying. So reducing the volume, I hope it's gonna be alright. Everything else should be alright, I think. I think it should be alright. Well, I was just waiting. Sorry, because I'm checking everything at the same time. I was just working on a promotional thing. I have this small card here, which is an NFC card. I want to print some things on it to avoid to lose it, or maybe for me to recognize. Sorry, what is it? And I was trying to think maybe something like this. Oh, the QR code works. That's pretty much it. I have no clue where to print this as a proper sticker, you know. I need to figure this out later. Other thing I want to show you, this. And I'm even thinking, because I have thousands of ideas for t-shirts, I'm going to try to stay focused on the work. But I have some idea for this. This was for the Amsterdam Coffee Festival, but it's deformed actually. That's interesting. Can we? Voila. So I'm going to put this in the graveyard of design. I'm calling this part deprecated, but graveyard, sorry, would be a bit nice as well, huh? Maybe I should do this. And the other thing that, let me show you, because I did this just during my lunch break. Maybe I should check first. On which account am I? Good. So the Instagram account for the app is done. The Threads account. Thank you. And I did Blue Sky as well. Or maybe Blue Sky I'm going to do it like this, because as you can imagine, if you download the app, you can use probably saw, and I probably know. But you might have seen that the links on the social part, where are they? Were not good. We are just mocked. Which is not the case anymore. Where is my Safari? It's here. And so we will have Blue Sky. This is ugly. Can I change the... I'm going to pick up this one actually. What is the size of a Blue Sky banner? Can you tell me? I was like, what? Let's do this quickly, because as you can see, this is looking a lot like this one. So that's probably what we should be doing to keep things simple and to go fast. Anyway, that's gonna do the work. JPEG, please. Blue sky. Perfect, huh? Ah. Let me check how it does, how it goes when it's live. Oh, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, because I really hate when the profile picture is hiding everything on the banner, so what I'm gonna do is try to fake it here. And see. Okay, so that's pretty much how it goes. So I'm going to put this here, and as we can see, the logo doesn't fit, so we are going to put this there. Oh no, but it's not good, Jeremy. This is really not good, actually. Where is my screenshot? Okay, doesn't work. Well, I'm gonna reduce this because I really don't want to use too much time on this. It's a bit ugly, huh? I can do this, of course. Of course. Hi folks, seriously? Oh, that's annoying. Really annoying. Okay, this is going to be in the middle. Voila. Yeah, be careful, Jeremy, because their stuff is a bit... I don't understand why they are giving us a side that they are not really respecting. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. Okay, so we have blue sky, we have threads, and we have Instagram. That's good. I will post something later. Speaking of this, because I really didn't check then everything was all right. Well, my goal for today is to push an update before to stop the stream. I posted also this morning a new post about the upcoming global events. So we have one in Houston, one in Jakarta in Indonesia, and another one in London in May. Speaking of this, Jakarta and London are the same. Maybe I should check that. Well, anyway, that's not why we are here. We are here to check if this is working. Sky works as well, and threads. I guess we will have another super interesting message. No? Super good. Well, maybe I should post the same on because it's not a big deal. It's not a lot of work to do. Maybe I should be doing this. Threads. Why am I not logged in there? I was just there a couple of minutes ago. Oh my goodness. That's complicated, huh? I cannot imagine the amount of stuff that are loading in this things to be that long. Blue Sky, you have a serious issue on, or maybe it's not a real issue, but look at this. The first result is the one from Wikipedia. Before continuing, you must verify your email. Of course. It's because I saw some other stuff, of course, when you're sending you're checking your emails. Okay, good. You're happy now? Can we go back to work? Can we go back to work? And the picture I'm gonna use is this one. It's been a while that I've not been blocked because of the content. No. Let's go. I don't want to see this shit. Good. Good. So that part is over. And we have our app doing what it should. The question I'm asking myself is about the, because I like giving another color, but to be honest, that might be a bit too much there. Huh? Ouais. Okay, good. Did we change anything? I don't think we did. No, we did. Alors, the first thing I want to do is free map. And I'm going to create a new feature. I think I can do it in the fun actually. No, I cannot create features in fun. In my admin, I can turn them on and off, change their status, but not creating a new one, of course, because you need code anyway. After I could make it a bit easier for me because it's taking always forever. We are in production mode. Let's check we have them all. Yes, we did. The title. What title did I give? Free map. Good. Let's see if it works. Non. Ah, parce que because this app doesn't have the enum up to date. Why this stuff is getting back all the time? This is really annoying, huh? Ah, maybe I should keep this actually. Anyway, I'm going to update my app. I think this is shared with it. Right. So it means that if I'm updating this, it's gonna be alright, and I'm just going to do a new archive. Copy the app on the desktop. It might look a bit overkill to have a native macOS app to manage all the content and everything, but to be honest, regarding the amount of content I need to take care of with the places and everything, it's a lot of work. Huh? It's not user management, it's feature flag. Why it's not there yet? I couldn't replace it because it was opened. Hashtag noob. Do we have it? Yes, we have it. Okay, so this feature is going to, I'm going to use it to allow the current free user to use the map without subscribing. But I want to be able to turn it off in case of whatever the reason would be. And to do that, I need to go in the brand view, I think it is. We have this, and the feature we want to use is no longer subscription, but free map. So if the feature is active, paywall activated. So that's the thing. Ah, wait, good. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to understand, because so this is on. Here, but even active. So if it's on, everyone should be I need to think, because and to do it, so case active, that's what is going to be. Should we we are returning always false, actually. That's what I'm missing. Okay, so I have it now. So if it's active, whatever the profile is, we are not displaying the paywall. If it's deactivated, then we should copy what was here. So if it's deactivated and we are part of this group, or if we are a subscriber, we are always returning false. Otherwise, we are doing it true. If it's debug, well, we are turning false. Otherwise, we are turning true. It doesn't matter, actually. Ah, no. No, that's the same here. Yeah. And by default, we are returning true, actually. I think, and we are going to check this right away. So we are in debug, and my account is a friend or an admin. Cable is all over the place. So the map is here, and we have access to this. Why? Because I'm an admin, and the feature is in debug. Okay, good. So if I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna deactivate this. And wait, that's a bit annoying. It's a bit. Can I send this to? No, I cannot. And can I share it? No, I cannot. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna solve this. Is it the same? Yes, it is. I'm going to put a normal flag on this one, and if I'm restarting the app, it should see the paywall because I'm a free user and the feature is off. Perfect. And now I'm going to turn the feature on. Ah. What the fuck? Is it really a debug? Let me see, because it shouldn't. Oh, that's the other way around. No, that should be like this because we are. Oui. Okay. So the feature is in debug. No, the feature is deactivated. So I'm seeing the paywall now. If I'm activating it, I shouldn't see the paywall because I'm not nor a friend nor an admin. Hopefully. Ah. Am I missing something? Wait, I'm missing something big. No, because this stuff. Yeah, voilà. Ah, yeah, but it doesn't work like this in this one, Jeremy. The logic is the other way around. Now what? I'm going to invert the thing. So I need to rename to avoid confusions. That's what I'm gonna do. Subscriber map. To rename this as well. Where is it? Here. when off, free users can access to the nearby. Yeah, because I don't want to change to have like complicated mechanisms because my stuff is the other way around. I'm gonna keep it as it is. And it hopefully should be alright. Alors, I just need to adjust this one, I think. So if the user is a subscriber, we are returning false. If the feature is active, we are returning true. I'm basically going to cancel what I did. Nothing else changed, right? Alors, let me just adjust my thing. So we are a normal user, meaning I need to do this as well. Yeah, because is it going to save it? Okay, it looks that it's saving it. So we have this that is deactivated, so it means when off, free user can access to the nearby map. Okay, let's go. Can we see something on the map? No. That's not good. I don't understand. What am I? Ah, it's just used for the blurring, right? Yes. So it means that here that's going to be a lot of. Should I just make it free? Because it's too much work and too much edit for no real values. I'm gonna keep the feature and I'm going to remove it from here. Voilà. Voilà, adjust this letter if you want to make the map reserved for paid users. That's what I'm gonna do because it's too much work at the moment. Alors, let's give it a try now. I also need to okay, everything works. everything works. Well, the map is on Pattaya. In Pattaya, sorry, in Thailand. Jeremy developer, that's the one. This needs to change actually. Here we go. Subscriber map. We remove this. This is good. Commit. Nearby is now free for all. Yeah, I thought about this before. I was not sure already that I was doing the right choice by making it with the paywall, because all the competitors are doing it for free. Most of the competitors, not all. Most of the competitors are doing it for free. So, and I need content on the map. So, if I can push people to submit new places, it would be nice. I'm going to do the last thing, which is again make a build for the Mac app. No, it's a personal app. No app store, please. Let's do that. Am I opened? Yes. I'm quite happy with the result of this app, to be honest, because so yesterday evening I worked a bit on it, and what I did is adding some interesting feature when you're and fixing some stuff, because some stuff were broken here. But for example, if I'm using like Rombaba again, you can follow it from here. Or there is the POI here that works, but even the map is active and you can move it around. But I really wanted to be able to check, because sometimes you have really weird results here. So this works. What else? I changed that as well, because I forgot to do this yesterday. You can directly approve the place directly from here. I put also some visual things for me to work faster, basically. What else I want to do next? I want to adjust this. So for example, the color, I'm using the digital color meter to have the customized page for every coffee. So when you're picking up a color, for example for this one, so there's a shortcut to pick up the RGB values, but look how it's formatted. So 255 is the opacity, the last one, but look how it's formatted, and I cannot use this. So every time I need to do this, so it's a bit annoying. So I need to figure out how to just copy paste, and the stuff will trim the spacing and replace it with comma. So I will do this later on, but it works pretty good. It works pretty good, and I'm kind of happy because I worked a bit on Paris this morning. So there is a bunch of addresses now for Paris. I can show you actually. But I have a big list of things I want to add. Some cities are super crucial, and I need to make it happen. And the search is super slow. CloudKit is really was maybe not the best choice. So you have a bunch of places now in Paris. Except that I don't understand how. No. Right, there is. So all the palette d'été are here now. That's the color I was talking about just before. Well, there is a bunch of places to try. You have some place. Oh, this is ugly, Jeremy. This is really ugly. Maybe I should take care of this. I'm a bit lazy, to be honest. I will do it later. Terre de café. Is it looking great? Like kind of, because you can see the white stuff there. But it's not perfect. It's okay. I would like to know why the results are organized by name instead of distance there. Maybe we should take care of this, right? So this is on the brand view manager. Where are you? I think it is. Fetching brand. Where is the search? Submit. Fetch nearby. Search for globally. Yeah, that's why. I don't want this actually. Let's give it another try. Yeah, because I know I cannot organize them by distance because but by default it's going to be organized by name anyway, no? No, by ID. I don't really know actually. This is far too long. I need to find a way to make it faster than this. Oh my gosh. No, it's randomized actually, which is a bit better. It would be nice to have but no, because it's sorry, what I'm saying is a bit difficult to follow, but I'm thinking at the same time, and I'm thinking that the search is not based on coordinate, but on the city name, so I cannot order this by distance or stuff. No, let's keep it like this more. This is better actually than it was before. So let's no longer sorted per names. Yeah, it was making sense on the because it's the same search result if I'm going on the list mode. Yeah, I have the same. So that's kind of makes sense, even if I think I should display this in a different way and not having the favorites there, but we'll see this another day. So this part is done. What else I wanted to do? Because that was really the main one. Yeah, and I want to use two tip kit for the map. And for doing, and I have no clue to this. I want to, for once, just display it once. Okay, so you need to have a tip nearby database message tip, and I'm going to copy paste this to have the thing. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna ask my friend to create something nice to display a message, a short message on the nearby, explaining to the user want to display only one time. Explaining to the user the database is currently being built and we'd like some help. So if the user thinks we should add a specific place to use the form, the dedicated form for this. Can you write me a short message, 180 characters for symbols, maximum, please. Always asking please, even for an AI. We are building the map together. If you think a place is missing, help us improve by suggesting it to the using the form. Thanks for being part of the journey. That's an amazing message. Thank you, ChatGPT. Like it. The form below. Can I have a small title? Help us grow the map. Perfect. That's really good. That's really, really good. This, I think, is it the right way? Okay. Now I need to find a way to display this. And for this, I'm going to check on the web. How to force tip kit to show a tip regardless of history. That's exactly what I don't want. We can have a button. That would be amazing because it means that I can. Okay, so this one we have it. And after we can have actions. Where are the actions? That's really good. Submit new place. Perform. This is what I don't want. And why I cannot? No, I cannot do this because it's. Can I do a binding on this? It looks as it works. That would be amazing. Debugging tips. If you debug your tips by using the following, reset the storage database for whenever the tip is shown or not. Yeah. Okay. How should I display this now? Where is it? So this is the thing. Okay. Well, my nearby view is nearby. Where are you? Here. No, here. But I can display it as well in here. Alors, brand list. We are letting this like this. Where is the main view? The main view is there. I want it to be displayed here actually. Okay. And the search field is there. And where is my view already? Submitted your places there. Where are the sheets? Okay. I'm gonna fake it like this for now. Alors, where after I need to have my tip. Why is it a var? It should be well. The tip name is nearby message. I need to provide the binding. That's going to be interesting. Yeah. If I was writing it and thinking that is not going to work, my friend. Can I put it there? Right, but I should. Oh, whoa. Okay. I'm gonna put it before the search field. And then I have the feeling that this is not going to work. I don't know why, but I'm really thinking this is not going to work. I'm gonna think to do something else like this. I like how Xcode is helpful sometimes. I'm going to stop this first to check if it's coming from TipKit or from something else, but my view doesn't build. Okay, this view build now. Now. Okay. Okay. That's good. Alors, is it displayed the second time or not? No. And if I'm restoring? Okay, so this, I would like it to be displayed just once. Huh? That's why it's there. I'm just asking myself because the issue there is the where is it? The issue here is this. What if no, because when it's going to get away, it's going to disappear the shit as well. No, I cannot do this. What are the options there? I cannot know how to find this. Oh my goodness, fucking god. I'm so sick of Xcode. It looks that everything works well when you have like 2 views and after it's over. Oh my god. Unbelievable. TipKit frequency is display frequency. Thank you. Monthly. That's enough actually. I really do hope they have improved a bit for the next version of Xcode, huh? Because this was since the last one already, it was already bad. Huh? This is becoming really difficult to work with. Huh? And what I wanted to do is not this, but this. And I'm gonna sit, no, not to sit actually. I'm going to stand. Alors, we are closing this now. We shouldn't have it anymore. Perfect. I need to do the same here because this... That's interesting. Because I think on my phone I still have it all the time. Huh? There is another one on the submit place. Ah no, it's not there anymore. Oh, I don't know. Well, it works well. I like it. Maybe the only thing is where is it? Where is the training button? How can we? That's the way. I don't understand this. What is it? This is working? Okay, and that's exactly what I don't want. I want it to the bottom. Yeah, but I need to restore the thing, otherwise it's not going to... Debugging. First, let's see if it's still there. It shouldn't. Okay, good. And if we are starting again, That's weird, no? It worked and suddenly, boom, it doesn't anymore. That's weird. You can show a specific tip regardless of wherever it has been shown before. I cannot have it on the bottom because there is a button. That's weird, no? So it doesn't work. What if I'm doing it on this one? That's a bit weird, huh? Ah, this one it works, so just the padding is all over the place, so I'm going to keep it like this. Ah, because it was the... Okay, I understood why it works. I understand, sorry. Padding. Let's give it a try. I don't think we can change the background of the tooltip, right? It would be nice because it's a bit different than the rest of the app there. Perfect. It works. Okay. Oh, that's really cool because that's really something I wanted to do for a long time. I should have done this even before to click on the submit button, to be honest. Submission button, submit for review. Tip kit map. I wanted to put it also on the nearby view, but I'm gonna keep it like this. Just once is enough. After it's like too much. And it's already once a month. I will turn it off later on. Maybe I should do a feature flag also for this one. I'm gonna do a break. Yes, I'm gonna do a break. And then we are going to work on something else that I really want to do. But I'm not sure I will have time to do this today. Huh? We'll see. Oh, this coffee, my friends, is really good. Alors, the other thing I want to do, but it's a bit ambitious for today. Maybe I should do, well, it's 4, I'm gonna stop actually. And we are going to work on something else. I wanted to work on the activity, the live activity that I want to build for the tea steeping, because there is a timer on the tea if you're using the app, you know. But this is, I forgot to change the version number. No, 0.1. And that's all because we have one target on here. Yeah, because I want to update the, I know what I'm gonna do. I want to update the screenshots. There is one thing I want to remove. And we are going to do this later on, and after I'll be working on the admin app, because I saw a bug, I think, on posting new content. I want to check this. Well, Xcode, as usual, is taking forever. I need to do a pull request as well, actually, because my code has changed a lot. 1.0.1. Where are your pull requests? There is a lot of stuff after. It was admin, huh? Mainly. We have the social accounts that are right. Okay. Thinking that I didn't make a release on GitHub. After I'm guessing I'm not the only one not doing this, but sometimes I like to have like versioning I can come back to. So now it's a bit too late because it's already the 0.1. Tip kit on the nearby map view. The socials. Social links are now up to date. Copy adjustments. There is probably a lot of typo. Publish release. Boom. There is probably a lot of typos, I'm guessing. Now this is done. We are going to wait a bit, see how it goes, and meanwhile Meanwhile, I want to update where is Kōtei. Why is it like this now? Ah, I know why. I know why. I'm gonna fix this now. Now the screen I want to change it this one because I really don't like these two screens. So I'm going to change this now. Actually, I'm just going to rename Jeremy Developer at Jeremy. Voilà. And first screenshot. And second screenshot. Here we go. Okay. So this is good. Alors, we need to adjust this one. Oh, there is a lot of stuff actually. You're going to be aware of all my secrets. How am I doing things? This is a light one. I want it like this size. Apply. Parfait. This one as well. This coffee, my friend, is making me really happy because it's really good. Alors, this is adjusted. We are good here now. Ah, yeah, that's what I want to do as well. Experimenting with that. Ah, yes, we need to do this, folks. I really want to do this A/B testing thing on the App Store. Let's do this. Alors, I'm going to take this. Good. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Ah, this one needs to go away as well. Mind playback, hello. How are you doing? Who are you? Introduce yourself. I'm kidding. Well, you can do it if you want. This one has been updated. We are good. I'm quite happy about this. E4 any reason you're coming to Amsterdam, I'm highly recommending this place. So this dude that is blurry here is a really good guy. So they are also doing espresso, but mainly pour over coffees. They are really good. Really good. Alors, first thing, we are going to check if the build is good. And we are going to do this now because I just received a message saying that the build is ready. Open. And I have my tip. Sorry, because I cannot see what I'm doing. Now I can see. The tip is there. That's good. It works when I'm opening the sheet. That is great. And I can close it. Fantastic. I'm killing the app now, and I shouldn't see the thing again. Crossing our fingers. I cannot see the tip. That's perfect. Why? Like this, huh? It's better. So that's good. So it means that we can go further. Alors, no, there is something I wanted to, because I'm a bit picky with that. Voilà. Alors, what do we need to export? Zero one alternate, yeah, 01. Okay. And if I cannot write properly, this is going to be annoying. This is alternate 2. And this is alternate 3. Otherwise we need to export. So we need to export this, and this. Yes. Exporting now on the desktop. Music has stopped. I guess we have reached the end of it. Discover. I'm gonna play this now. Okay, we have exported our stuff. Yes, yes, we does. Yes, we did. Not we does. I'm logging in on App Store Connect. And now we are going to work. I want a new distribution, 1.0.1. This one as well, actually. Okay. Okay, this This is good. I'm going to add the build 1.0.1. I'm going to ask ChatGPT something fun. Can you write me something for the release? Not funny for the App Store. We've brewed up fresh mixes and feature tweaks, no more bugs in your cup, just smooth sips and better maps. Got a favorite coffee we missed? Spill the beans using the forms. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect maybe not, but good enough. I'm gonna save this to keep it, and I'm going to pick up the same promotional text than I was using before. Alors, this is ready to submit, right? Now I want a custom product page. Alternative 1, and this one is every cup count. Deep link, a custom URL that directs to specific content in your app. Right, that's another thing I want to do later on. Add for review. Yeah, but how can I choose which one is? This one. I need to validate it before. Okay, so I need to remove this. It's not what I wanted to do. Remove. It's not a costume product page I want to do. Can I remove this one? Delete this product page. Thank you. Good. This is what I want to do. Product page optimization. Test 1. No, but even this I'm gonna remove it because edit detail. Can I have? Voila. Yes. Treatment 1. Voilà. Treatment 2. I'm really looking forward to see if it makes any difference. Why I cannot have just the copy? What the fuck is happening? Okay. Delete test. First view. Allez. 3 treatment. Create a test. So I should have 3 times the same thing, or even 4 because there is the initial one. Okay, good. Let's go again. Voilà, and the third one. And for review, of course. The App Store Connect. This technology from another time. I really don't understand. I really don't understand. Look at this. I guess it's completely broken. Okay. We have this, and now I want this. This is also something I really don't understand. Seriously. Okay, where is my product page optimization? Can I do it now? My goodness. Whatever, Apple, whatever. It looks that it's not going to be for today. Our app is waiting for review. Good. Bon, that part is over. We are good with that. I think I'm gonna stop the stream, my friends, because I'm kind of done for the day. I'm done. As you might know, my day is not going to end when the stream is gonna end. Tomorrow I won't be streaming because I have a lot of stuff I wanna do outside of, away from the keyboard. So I won't be on, probably won't be there tomorrow. If I'm here, it's gonna be last minute. It's going to be good news actually, because it means that I will have had the time to do everything I wanted to do in the morning. So I'm going to do this. Next stream is going to be next week, but I have no clue when, because my schedule is kind of all over the place next week. So I'm going to check this. Maybe not actually. Maybe I even won't be there next week. Enfin, there. On YouTube, I mean. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for being there, for the people who came. Thank you for the support. Thank you for popping up and say just I like it. See, if you're watching this replay, please do the usual thing for let YouTube to grow this channel, make YouTube growing this channel. And I see you next time. Bye bye.